Welcome to this short video on Introduction to Configuration Management with Ansible. Inventory, Playbook and Role. Please, refer to the dedicated video on Ansible which covers everything we discuss in this video in much detail. In this lesson we look at Ansible, an open-source automation platform that is used for configuration management, application deployment, and task automation. We look at best practices for Ansible. We look at the key concepts in Ansible. We look at modular playbooks, handling secrets, and ensuring idempotence. Let's get started. Configuration management with Ansible. What is Ansible? Ansible is an open-source automation tool for IT configuration management, application deployment, and task automation. Ansible uses YAML to define automation tasks and can manage both cloud and on-premises systems. Key concepts in Ansible. 1. Inventory file. An inventory file lists the machines that Ansible will manage. You can define hosts manually or dynamically. For example, using AWS EC2 Inventory plugin. 2. Playbook. A playbook is a YAML file that describes the tasks to be executed on remote hosts. Playbooks are the heart of Ansible automation. 3. Roles. Roles allow you to organize playbooks into reusable units. For example, you could create a web server role that installs Apache, configures firewall rules, and deploys website files. 4. Ansible modules. Ansible has a rich set of modules for managing different resources. These include apt, a package manager for Debian-based distributions such as Ubuntu. Common apt use cases includes installing or upgrading packages, removing packages, or updating package cache. Another Ansible module is the YUM module. YUM module is used to manage packages on Linux distributions such as Red Hat, CentOS, and Fedora. Common YUM use cases includes installing software packages, removing or updating packages, and managing repositories. Another Ansible module is the service module. The service module is used to manage system services, such as starting, stopping, enabling, and restarting services. Common service use cases includes ensuring a service is running, stopping or disabling services, and restarting a service after configuration changes. The next Ansible module is the copy module. Copy module is used to copy files from the Ansible control node to managed hosts. Common copy use cases includes copying configuration files, setting permissions on files, overwriting or replacing existing files. Next module is the Git module. The Git module is used to clone, pull, and manage Git repositories on remote hosts. Common Git module use cases includes deploying application code, keeping configuration files updated, and automating software updates. Best practices for Ansible. 1. Keep playbooks modular by splitting large playbooks into smaller, manageable roles and include them as needed. 2. Use variables by storing configuration settings in variables to avoid hard-coding values for configurations that may change, and provide default values where possible. 3. Handle secrets properly by using Ansible Vault to encrypt sensitive data, like passwords and API keys. 4. Ensure idempotence. Ansible tasks should be idempotent, meaning applying the playbook multiple times should yield the same result. For instance, the task to install Apache should not reinstall the package if it is already installed. In recap, in this lesson, we looked at Ansible, an open-source automation platform that is used for configuration management, application deployment, and task automation. We looked at key concepts in Ansible. And we looked at best practices for Ansible, such as organizing playbooks using roles, using variables, and defaults, ensuring idempotence, and using Ansible Vault for secrets. In conclusion, Ansible automates configuration management and application deployment. By using playbooks and roles, you can ensure consistent and repeatable configurations across environments. This provides a comprehensive solution for managing infrastructure and software configurations efficiently. By following best practices and leveraging these tools, tech engineering teams can increase productivity, reduce manual intervention, and ensure consistency across environments. Please note that you are required to take the quiz available for this lesson in the quiz section. Thank you for watching this video. Now you have the fundamental knowledge of configuration management with Ansible.